Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking permissions so the recorder captures what you need. Once done, select audio sources and decide whether to include camera overlay. This avoids re-recording voice. Next, set resolution and frame rate based on your target. 1080p at 30 fps for online tutorials, 60 fps for smooth motion. Finally, choose full screen, a specific window, or draw a custom region, and hit the brief test recording to confirm levels. You now manage the recording with deliberate controls and monitoring. Use hotkeys to start, pause, and stop. This keeps your hands in workflow and prevents lost footage. Make sure noise suppression and mixing are enabled so audio is clear. Watch the levels meter to avoid clipping. If your session is long, record in labeled segments so editing is faster, and insert quick verbal timestamps to mark key moments that you'll locate later. Keep an eye on disk space while capturing. You finish by saving and preparing the file for use. Export to a widely compatible format like MP4, choosing bitrate that balances quality and file size. Then import into a simple editor to trim, add callouts, and normalize audio levels. Once exported, verify playback on another device to confirm sync. If you find audio lag or dropped frames, check that capture and export frame rates match, re-encode if needed, and ensure CPU/GPU resources weren't overloaded. Re-record with lower settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.